Hey guys, welcome back to Free Tech Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat lock screen widgets on your iPhone. With these widgets, you can access Snapchat features right from your lock screen. Let's start it. To get started, unlock your iPhone and long press on your lock screen. You'll see a Customize option. Tap on that. You can either edit your current lock screen or create a new one for a fresh look. Once you're in customization mode, tap Add Widgets. Scroll through the widget options until you find Snapchat. You'll have two choices: the camera widget for quick snaps or the pin chat widget to access a specific chat instantly. Tap on widget, whichever one you prefer, onto your lock screen. After placing the widget, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Now, when you tap the camera widget, it will instantly open Snapchat's camera, perfect for capturing quick moments. If you added the pin chat widget, tapping it will take you straight to that chat, and there you go. That's how easy it is to add and use Snapchat lock screen widgets on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.